In this module, we'll be learning about fruitful functions. So, what are fruitful functions? When a function returns a value that is used as a part of another expression, it is called fruitful. The best example is from what we saw while calculating the area of this circle. There, math.py returned the value of pi, which was used as a part of the expression pi r squared. In user-defined functions that we've already seen, we did not return anything and therefore they are called void functions. In the case of the fruitful functions, the syntax is much similar to that of void functions, but these functions end with a return statement followed by an expression or a value. First, let us see such a function that returns an expression. Consider the redFun function. Num is a parameter that is passed which is multiplied by 2 as an expression in the return. This is why it's called fruitful. Here we make the function call within print statement itself. You may also store this result in a variable. Here we get twice of the number of 4, which is 8, as seen. Next, we will see functions that return a value. Here, for the redFun function, we pass two variables x, y. Let's perform a logical AND operation on x and y. In Python, the logical AND is given in words as A and D. The result of the AND operation is stored in Z, which is returned as return Z. Storing in Z is mainly done to make debugging easy. Here, the function is called by passing two Boolean values, true and false. On printing res, we get the output as false. This happens because we know that the logical AND of true and false results in a false. This value is stored in Z and given to the variable res. Now, let us modify this program by just giving return instead of return Z and try printing the values of res. Surprisingly, we get the type of res as none. These are called non-value returning functions and are said to be not fruitful. Such return statements without a parameter or an expression is mainly useful in conditional statements, which we'll be covering in the forthcoming lectures.